Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Yes, I have my iPhone XS Max against my Galaxy Note 9. In this video, I'm going to do some Geekbench scores and run Antutu scores to see if the A12 Bionic chip is a lot better than the Snapdragon 845 processor and how Samsung is optimizing it. Let's get this video started, but before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so we know the iPhone XS Max was released today. Galaxy Note 9 has been out for about a month. The iPhone XS Max has the new Apple A12 Bionic chip in it, while the Note 9 has the Snapdragon 845 processor. So like I said in the beginning, I'm going to just do some Geekbench scores really quick. Antutu bench scores. Let's see what happens. I probably will speed up the video because, you know, these tests do take a little bit. But let's get this started. I'm going to try to hit them at the same time, but it doesn't really matter. Man, am I reading that right? 4706 single core, 11,181 multi-core, 2384 single, 8755 multi. Yeah, I don't know how that will turn out during everyday use, but these numbers are numbers, and man, I don't know what to say. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Again, that was just Geekbench scores. Okay, everyone, so let's run the Antutu bench scores now. Let's see what happens. All right, start test. Let's see what this does. Okay, everyone, so 309,477 on the iPhone XS Max, 280,496. I know what my Samsung fans are going to say. These numbers don't matter. You know, overall performance doesn't matter with these numbers. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The iPhone XS Max pretty much smashed my Galaxy Note 9. Again, will it affect everyday performance? Maybe, maybe not. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XS Max and the Galaxy Note 9. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.